Hello everyone. So we are about to jump into Savi's workshop to work on some scrap metal.
My hair is falling apart here.
Your hair is falling apart.
We went on a rock and roller coaster and it just
blew it apart.
Game over. But I'm not redoing it at this point. We're almost done.
It happens.
Morning.
Yes.
Anywho, yeah.
So lightsabers it is. Sorry.
We're gonna
Excuse
go
me.
play with some scrap metal.
Right, we have to pick out some parts
And put them together.
for repairs.
We previously mentioned, but just to reiterate, we're not going to be filming this. We will link some videos again down below of some recommended ones to watch if you want to see it all put together, but we just want to live in the moment.
Absolutely.
We're paying for it.
So we'll give you a little look-see when we're done.
Yeah, we'll let you know how it went. So we just got done building our scrap metal. And it was incredible.
It was awesome.
Holy crap.
It was really something you don't forget. It was cool.
I keep catching things.
Bumped into a trash can and broke it.
So it was, I'm just like so emotional at this place.
It was unbelievable.
Getting a little welling of the eyes a little bit.
Yeah, there's a few things that happened. We won't spoil it if you've never done it or haven't watched any videos, but
yeah, but it's
really cool how they do it.
They just pay so much attention to detail, and they like roll with the punches when things happen. Like no,
we're good. Thank you.
Something happened with my lightsaber. It just like it wouldn't catch on the bottom, so I had to switch out the activation plates. And the person, Lindsay, who was helping me, said I was very intuitive and that I had potential to become one of the gatherers because I recognized that they weren't like going together. So it was just really cool the way she handled it. It wasn't like, oh, this thing's broken.
They did an amazing job. Yeah.
So incredible. We're
Very
gonna go
cool
get some more kyber crystals.
Just to be on the safe side.
Yeah, but totally worth the money.
We recommend it.
Amazing quality. Like,
they're very heavy too. Like
really heavy.
Didn't expect them to be like this.
Yeah.
They're very good quality.
Like I knew online just from people saying it that they were metal, but they're
this is good quality.
Even better than I was told. So.
Absolutely.
Yay! We're gonna head back to the hotel soon and put these into protection, take a quick nap, and then we'll be back at Food and Wine later.
Absolutely. Going back to get more food.
Till the Spires.
Till the Spires, my friends.
Real quick, just needed to let you know, we didn't take any pictures or video of this Ronto wrap. We were about to leave and then we went, ooh, we're really hungry, we didn't have lunch, let's get food. Ronto Roasters was right there. And we scarfed that thing down.
It's delicious.
It's so good. Like, 10 out of 10 would get probably will tomorrow.
Best thing I've had in Galaxy's Edge food-wise so far. And this is the Tatooine Sunset.
Yeah, which is also
it kind of just tastes like an Arnold Palmer with a little bit more fruit. It's good.
Like berry.
Yeah, so Ronto Roaster seal of approval.
Yeah.